Biologics, the game changers in medicine and healthcare. Welcome to today's microlearning video. Let's dive into the fascinating world of biologics. These bad boys, also known as biopharmaceuticals, have totally rocked the boat in medicine and healthcare. They're like the superheroes of the drug world, offering super targeted and highly effective treatments for all sorts of diseases. So, sit back and relax as we take you on a journey through what biologics are, how they're made, what they're used for, and what makes them so darn cool. Biologics, what's the deal? First things first, biologics are not your run-of-the-mill pills. Nope, these guys are special. They're drugs made from living organisms or their components. We're talking about things like monoclonal antibodies, vaccines, gene therapies, and cell-based treatments. Instead of being cooked up in a lab, they're brewed using fancy biological processes. It all starts with identifying the biological molecules that are causing trouble in a disease, and then we either snatch those molecules from living organisms or we do some genetic magic to make them ourselves. Now, let's talk about how these biologics are saving the day in the medical world. Monoclonal antibodies are what we think of as the sharpshooters of medicine. Monoclonal antibodies are custom-made proteins designed to lock onto specific targets, like cancer cells or nasty inflammation markers. They're the go-to treatment for cancer, autoimmune diseases, and even infectious baddies like COVID-19. Vaccines, you've probably heard of these, right? Vaccines are like the ultimate cheat code against infectious diseases. They train our immune system to fend off threats like polio, measles, and the flu. And those new mRNA vaccines, like the ones for COVID-19? Yep, they're part of the biologics club too. Gene therapies is what we will discuss next. Ever wished you could fix a genetic boo-boo? Well, gene therapies are like the mechanics of the biological world. They tinker with our genes to treat conditions like cystic fibrosis and muscular dystrophy. Cell-based therapies, stem cells and CAR T cells are the rock stars here. They're like the body's SWAT team, used to repair damaged tissues or battle cancer in groundbreaking ways. Why biologics rock so? What's the big deal with biologics? Why are they stealing the spotlight in healthcare? Bullseye targeting is what we are going to discuss next. Biologics are like ninja assassins. They go straight for the disease's Achilles heel, sparing the healthy bits. This makes them way less likely to cause those nasty side effects you get with regular drugs. When it comes to beating diseases, biologics are the A-team. They often outshine traditional drugs, especially in complex conditions like cancer and autoimmune diseases. Biologics are all about personalized treatment. They can be fine-tuned to match your unique genetic code, which is like having a tailor-made suit for your health. Innovation galore is what we are going to discuss next. Biologics are like the pioneers of medicine. They've opened doors to cool therapies like gene editing and cell-based treatments, giving hope to patients facing conditions that were once untreatable. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the world of biologics, pricey business indeed. Biologics can cost a pretty penny to develop and produce, which can make them less accessible to folks who don't have Scrooge McDuck's bank account. Brewing up biologics is no cakewalk. The biological processes involved can be finicky, leading to variability in the final product. Sometimes, your body can be a drama queen and mount an immune response against biologics, making them less effective. Getting biologics approved by the authorities can be a marathon. The regulatory process is strict, which can slow down the availability of these cool treatments. In a nutshell, biologics are the rock stars of modern medicine and healthcare. They're the superheroes who swoop in with their laser-like precision, epic effectiveness, and personalized touch. Sure, they have their challenges, like the hefty price tag and regulatory hurdles, but the potential for saving lives and transforming healthcare as we know it makes them worth every bit of the spotlight. So, here's to biologics, the game changers we didn't know we needed.